Welcome to UT Southwestern Medical Center, where every day our dedicated police officers work tirelessly to ensure the safety and protection of our UT Southwestern community. Each shift begins with a roll call. Officers gather to receive assignments and important updates. Patrolling the UT Southwestern campus is a crucial part of the job. Emergencies can happen anytime. Our officers are trained to respond quickly and effectively. UT Southwestern hosts various events throughout the year, and our officers are there to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. As the shift comes to an end, officers return to the station, complete paperwork, and prepare for the next day. A day in the life of a police officer at UT Southwestern is filled with dedication, vigilance, and a commitment to the safety and well-being of our community. If you're an individual interested in law enforcement, we highly recommend joining our department and help with our mission to protect and serve the UT Southwestern community.